What's up, y'all? This is Earl Bynum. We're here again. This is another Social Cam. Thank you to all of y'all who have been following us on this European Italy tour. We're here at a theater. This is where we're going to be tonight. Excited about it. Look here, look here. This is a theater. Kind of reminds you of a little bit of Chrysler Hall in the Norfolk, Virginia area. Really nice, really nice. We're getting here, getting ready for sound check. As you see, they're setting up the stage now and trying to get us ready. So that's what they're doing now. Just give you a little piece of what's going on here. Miss Cora doing Miss Cora right here. She doing us hope shot.
I'm trying to do a hope shot.
Social Cam. They resting and relaxing on the phone. But we just waiting. We waiting, letting them get the stage together and everything. We are in, I don't even know what city we're in, but we're at I don't know. I know it's cold and foggy where we are, but they told us that the concert is already sold out for tonight, so we're excited about that. And for those of you who are into music, we're gonna show you a little more. You know, some of y'all like music boards. This is Sound Man right here. How you doing? Okay, no, Sound Man. All right, so let's see. Working from here, so this is where we are. Alright, so come back to y'all real soon. Y'all take care. Have a great one. And probably come to y'all. Kim will bring you some food stuff later on when we go to dinner, alright? Y'all be safe. Love you all to life. Peace.